Hello all, I am Dr. Archana Daftardar, consultant nephrologist at Renova Hospital, Kompally. So now we have understood how the AV fistula is made. So what are the precautions the patient should take once the fistula is made? Once the surgery is done or the artery and the vein are joined in your hand at the wrist or at the elbow, the vibration feeling will be there like a machinery sound. So that should be present all the time. Having that is a good sign, and that means your AV fistula is working. So once the surgery is done, the doctor will show you and make you feel this thrill or the bruit, and will explain it to you that you need to observe this periodically. So this is the first thing. Now, when you have this AV fistula, what are the precautions you should be taking? So when the fistula is made and it is functioning, every day you should monitor the fistula for this presence of this vibration or the machinery sound. So it is important. That means your fistula is functioning. So second thing, you should not wear very tight clothes on the hand towards when the fistula is made, so that there is no obstruction or the pressure on the fistula. Third thing, you should avoid lifting heavy weight from that hand, and so that the fistula can be preserved for a longer time. Fourth one is, you should not allow any injury to happen to that hand, and you need to be extra precautious when to take care of that AV fistula hand. This hand, once the wound heals completely, which takes around 2 weeks, after that it can be washed during the bath with the soap and water. So it should be cleaned every day with the soap and water to keep the hygiene intact. Then whenever there is a feel, many of the patients, they feel like scratching and picking of the body around the fistula site. You must avoid scratching or itching the fistula area, because there are high chances of transferring infection to the fistula skin, and if it gets infected, it will be very difficult to do the dialysis through the AV fistula. Usually the fistula is done on the non-dominant hand of the patient. That means if the patient writes or does all the activities from the right hand, then the fistula will be done in the left hand, so that less or minimum activity is carried out with the fistula hand. Or if the patient is lefty, then right hand fistula can be done. So once the fistula is ready, another precaution, important precaution you should take is never sleep on the fistula hand. Because of the pressure, the fistula may stop functioning. So that is important. Whenever you stop observing the bruit or this machinery sound or the vibration, you should immediately seek the medical help. There should not be one more important precaution is, you should not allow anyone to check the blood pressure or to collect the blood from the AV fistula site. So this hand is a precious hand. You should keep it away from everybody. Thank you.